Hi guys, today we are going to be making some cheesy scrambled eggs. And I got my little Hex Clad Pan here, and I already added a little bit of canola oil to the pan and I heated it up for 3 minutes. So now it's ready to cook in. So now I'm going to crack my eggs. Stir this. I'm going to do it quick because it'll stick if you don't. Kind of stir it, scramble it up. It cooks pretty fast on the gas stove. And I always use these, if I do use these spatulas, I make sure they're the ones that can take heat, because regular ones don't. And you don't want to melt it. So after it looks like about that, then I want to add some cheese. Like to get kind of like the mixed shredded kind. This is a triple cheddar blend. It has mild, sharp, and Vermont white cheddar cheese in it. So you can get any kind you want. I like to use the mixed kind. Mexican cheese is really good too for it. And then once it gets about like that, it's mixed in, I add a little bit of salt. Don't over salt it though, because you can't take it out once you put it in. And then I kind of just give it another little stir. And those are about done. Grab a plate. Scoop it on. That. And there you have perfectly cooked scrambled cheesy eggs. Hope you guys have a good day. Remember to like and subscribe.